got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we got 14. And I'll show you what the back looks like. And I'm going to take this and just twirl it up in there. Probably like that, and tighten it down. That's what we came with. All yours are filtered through the back. Love it, love it, love it. And that's with hair added in. Alright, now this is what I've done. I've just tightened them. Tightened here. Bring it down here and tightened. Right here and tightened. And finished it off right there. So that's your braid. When we get ready to take it down, we'll cut all the hair off of these. And then we'll find these knots here and start taking your hair down. So that'll be good for your takedown. Beautiful. Now, kind of at the halfway point. I guess you can call this the halfway point. So, I'll just see in between here so you can see what it looks like. It's all good. And this one's in the round. All good. Alright, I'm liking